6, 7, 8, 9. I learned how to crochet when I was in elementary, maybe grade 5. My cousin Manituding taught me how to crochet, and then in school and this became my hobby. This coaster, glass coaster, I will give this to the elders in Navotas, because we have home for the elders there, and I can't find anymore the one that I did last time when I was officer in charge, center coordinator there. So I have counted so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so it's correct. So then 2 again, and then first hanap ko yung 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Pero wait, sniper's proud, yung crochet mo. So I have to make out some type of 12 times 2 and then 3 times 12. So this is not the finished. This is the first 12 double stitches, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 2. Then after you make some kind of designs that you have to stitch 1, 2, 3, and then skip 1, then put it on the third. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I made already 7 out of this color. Every day, 1 during my spare time. Usually at the office, and today is Saturday, so I made 2. Hope to finish this during the month. Maybe 2 dozens of like this, but I don't have any more available color for this thread, so maybe I will make some kind of other colors, like maybe like this color, like this one, and this one, and this one, and maybe other types of threads. So this is my project for crochet project for the month of October. The glass coasters for the elders. So it's finished. Then I have to make some kind of finishing touches. Okay. So this is finished already. So this is the finished products already. The glass coasters that I made for this color. So I hope you like it, and this is my project, unfinished project yet. Okay, thank you.